GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Who wrote रामायण? हाँ, बोर्ड्स में कितना स्कोर किया था आपने?
90 something.
What is a plus b whole square?
A square plus 2ab. No, a square plus. I was right there.
No, you.
Okay, a plus b the whole cube करवा.
50 and 40.
Okay, a minus b the whole square.
Sai ran quickly over the table, but she didn't hurt herself. This is
Good
the
for
line.
her. I'm so
Okay.
happy.
Great. The chemical formula of
H2O.
No, stop it. Stop it.
table salt. A woman who seems confused about what she wants in a partner and cannot make up her mind until she loses everything.
एक और बोलें.
Queen.
No.
No.
3 men take a trip
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
and wait. 3
दिल
men
चाहता है.
take a trip
दिल चाहता
and
है.
meet new people.
Part 2 ही है वो.
नहीं,
डबल धमाल.
धमाल.
चल यार ठीक है डबल धमाल.
बोला नहीं ना राइट आंसर बस. क्रेजी किया रे, क्रेजी किया रे,
I did it first.
crazy kiya. What you are doing? So basically we started this thing called the Galata game show. It's a game show where we give you 3 rounds. The first round is basically back to school. There will be questions from what we studied in school.
Okay.
Okay, there will be 8 questions. Huh?
It's like now.
That's true. not now for us though.
Yeah.
But okay. No, for you also it's now only, but not for me. And then there will be Bollywood rounds. So we'll start off with back to school first. You get 10 points for every question that you answer correctly.
Okay.
But let me also tell you, the best part about this game is that you can cheat and get answers from anybody. Whoever says the answer first gets the point.
Okay.
Understood? First question.
हाँ.
Hindi.
Okay.
Okay.
देवनागरी लिपि.
Huh?
कुछ नहीं मतलब.
बोल देने का ना पहले.
देवनागरी लिपि.
What did he say?
He's saying देवनागरी writing लिपि.
कोई नहीं नहीं
Oh,
होगा.
yeah, I know. Who wrote Ramayan?
वाल्मीकि.
Wow, 10. You
I
were
fully I became.
and then you
Yeah.
thought that okay, what if?
कैसेट
What-
अटक
Obviously
गया.
यार what if you have to think ना 10 बार.
उसी चक्कर में you will lose. 10-0. English, okay. Sai ran quickly over the table, but she didn't hurt herself. This is
Good
the
for
line.
her. I'm so
Okay.
happy.
Great. But you have
Well,
to.
knowing how
अरे
clumsy
उसको
she is.
क्वेश्चन पूछ करो यार.
You forgotten the line though.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sai ran over the table
Table.
quickly, but she didn't hurt
She hurt
herself.
herself. Yeah.
And you have to identify
The subject,
the preposition.
the preposition. Sai ran over the table.
Over.
Over,
Right.
yeah, over.
10.
Even I
इधर
knew
से
that. I
answer
was
आ रहा
just
है।
thinking.
हाँ तो जल्दी बोलना है ना,
आपने
ये
देखा?
नहीं,
गेम ही
नहीं,
वैसा है.
Pinky
हाँ,
promise.
ऐसा कैसे देखूं मैं?
Pinky promise.
हाँ है. I did.
I cut your pinky off. If you don't
Yeah.
That will sound very wrong. Do you realize that on camera?
Deva काय?
देवा काय ऐसा ही. हाँ. Okay, history.
History. I was very bad at it.
When? Which
1947.
year?
Did India have independence?
Independence, yeah.
No. Which year
1950.
did we become a republic?
Republic.
1950.
1950. This I also.
नहीं
knew.
मैंने बोल दिया
26
पहले ही बोल दिया.
January
ये मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया.
But she's right. She's said the
26
date
January
correctly.
1950.
What did you say?
पूरा बोला है 26 January.
Wow.
But
लाल
which,
किले पे मेला होता है.
but actually मैंने which year बोल दिया था question में. So I
Exactly.
think
Thank
I
you.
should give it to
Half
you.
half 5-5.
No, 20. I'm giving it to you also. 20 and
20.
दोनों को 20.
ऐसे ही
कर
चलेगा.
लिया ना अब आगे नहीं.
Geography.
Okay.
ये bad है.
Which is the smallest Indian state?
smallest Indian state?
I know this. No, Daman and Diu union territories. My bad.
हाँ.
Um,
Smallest Indian state.
Goa.
Goa is right.
But I thought Goa was also a union territory.
हाँ भी.
No, but it's still the smallest Indian state.
State है ना? So Goa.
30-20.
20.
Physics.
Oh God.
What is the SI unit?
You
SI
lost me.
unit.
For joule?
SI unit to measure power.
Power.
What?
वाह, you've lost me. बड़े चालाक हो भाई.
आ गया ना फिर यार.
हाँ, 30 किसने आंसर दिया क्या
अरे
इधर
कोई
से?
नहीं तेरे पीछे तेरे को ही देख
वो
रहा
तो मैं
हूँ.
सोच रहा
Yeah, I
हूँ,
was
पता
going to say
नहीं.
volt. I'm very bad at physics. I shouldn't. do this.
30-30. Chemistry. Okay. What is?
बहुत अच्छी आपको देखने मिलेगी औरों में कहाँ
हाँ,
दम
दम
था.
था.
वो मैं करूँगा लास्ट में. Don't worry. What is the chemical formula of
H2O.
No, stop
सबसे
it.
easy है,
Stop
चलो।
it.
table salt?
NaCl.
Wow.
तू
Thanks
change
the
किया ना
Lord.
water से.
40-30. Okay. Biology.
Okay.
Which pigment gives our skin its
Melanin.
color? Wow. 50-30. हाँ, बोर्ड्स में कितना स्कोर किया था आपने?
90 something. 90 something.
हमारा दौर अलग था. But still 86 आ गए थे
No,
मेरे.
no, I'm very book smart. I'm
But
not
she's,
street
yeah,
smart
she's,
at all.
yeah.
I'm so stupid in real life now. It's not even
You don't
funny.
have to say. Not right now. This was your moment.
Yeah, this was
सही.
your moment. I was like, why?
90s के बाद ये से.
No, I'm very book smart. Very, very book smart. मैं रट्टा मरवा लो मुझसे.
नहीं,
मैं
she-
रट्टा मार.
50-30.
30.
Mathematics is the last one. Okay.
Please don't get this. I'm very good at math. I'll feel very bad if he gets this.
Huh?
Yeah, just ask.
What is A plus B whole square?
A square plus 2ab. No,
plus
A
2ab.
square plus. I was right there.
No, you were right there, but he got it
But
before
I
you.
said it. He said A square plus B square is actually A square plus 2ab plus B square. That's
No,
the
it's
order
the
is
same.
same. That's
A
the
square plus
Oh
B
my
square
God,
plus
कैसे
2ab
नहीं
is
लिखो
the
यार,
same.
क्या?
It's the
That's
same.
how
This
I
is what
was
happened.
taught.
Can't give it. Can't
Guys,
give it.
That's
always
how I
remember,
was
रट्टा
taught.
मत मारो
Okay,
आप.
tell me.
Don't mug things. You need to understand. It's plus. कहीं पे भी लग
Okay, that's my tiebreaker. Tell me A plus B the
No,
whole cube.
no. It's 50 and 40.
Okay, A plus B the whole cube करवा दो.
50 and 40.
नहीं है ना?
We
Okay,
can't
A
get.
minus B the whole square.
minus 2ab.
Wow, so lovely. Okay, now basically the second round is a Bollywood round. 50 and 40, please keep a score.
Oh my God.
She's actually writing it.
You have to guess the Bollywood movies from their badly explained plot.
I'm very good at this. I can tell
Okay.
already.
Badly explained.
Because I explain all plots badly.
This kid and his father.
Huh.
This kid, the first one is this kid and his father has a father who's perpetually annoyed with him, and seemingly not that good at parenting.
बस इतना ही.
Is it Shehzada?
बहुत मूवी है.
No.
ऐसे तो.
No.
Animal.
No.
No, no animal.
Perpetually.
Annoyed at him and
annoyed.
seemingly a bad
Udan.
father.
Udan.
Right.
Oh my
Udan.
God. Whoa. Good on it, sir.
Half century to both of you. Next one.
आजकल बैट कोई नहीं दिखाता.
A woman who seems confused about what she wants in a partner and cannot make up her mind until she loses everything. A woman
तो
who
बहुत
seems
vague
confused
छे.
about what she wants in a partner, which is what all of us are, but of course you are not, we both clearly are, and cannot make up her mind until she loses everything.
हाँ हाँ डम शराड्स भी चल रहे. Come on.
हाँ, उधर से भी आंसर आ सकता है. अभी सोच रहे हैं. ओ बाबा, गूगल कर रहे हैं बाहर.
एक और बोलें.
Queen, queen, queen.
No.
No.
A woman
A woman.
who seems confused about what she wants in a partner and cannot make up her mind until she loses everything.
English
Dear
में
Zindagi.
नहीं.
No.
Dear Zindagi नहीं.
Andhadhun, what?
It's
What are you saying?
It's a
कुछ
it's
है?
a तापसी पन्नू film.
थप्पड़.
Haseen Dilruba.
No.
थप्पड़.
सब अब ऐसे बोलते जाओ तापसी का पूरा फिल्मोग्राफी. No, not थप्पड़.
Time नहीं.
Manmarzia.
मनमर्जिया is right.
खुद ही आंसर दिया पूरा ऐसा बोलते जाओ.
60-50.
चलेगा.
किसने बोला मनमर्जिया? बरिया ही लास्ट में बोलने वाली. 60-50. Next one. 3 men take a trip
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
and wait. 3
दिल
men
चाहता है.
take a trip
दिल चाहता
and
है.
meet new people during this trip. Okay? They sing and dance and things get a bit messy, quite literally. There are some angry animals, lots
Hangover.
of running
No,
and
Goa
also
gone.
wedding.
धमाका सर का.
No, you guys must have given the right answer. Just tell me. I'm just saying you are right.
Angry animals running towards bulls. Oh, that.
जिंदगी ना
I was
मिलेगी दोबारा
right
is
ना.
right, yeah.
बट वो भी तो है यार. ये तो
70,
गलत है तुम्हारा. वो
कैसे?
भी तो है तुम्हारा अरशद वारसी.
But
धमाल.
which bulls
धमाल
are
2.
running behind them?
Which animal is
Which
right?
bull?
लास्ट में पूरा जू का ही पूरा सीक्वेंस है उसमें.
धमाल 2 नहीं है वो.
धमाल 2 ही है वो.
नहीं.
डबल धमाल.
धमाल.
चल यार ठीक है डबल धमाल.
बोला नहीं ना राइट आंसर बस. धमाल 2.
तो एक सेकंड तो मैंने ऐसे ये तो ये भी
मैंने
बोला.
जब थोड़ा सा
Hangover भी
फंबल
बोला.
किया था तुम्हारे टाइटल पे तब
तूने
तो
बोला
पीछे
ही नहीं
पड़ गए. मैं बोलने वाला था. मैं डालूंगा वो. मैं बोलने वाला था. And then he's given me such a reaction. I thought I must have gone wrong with the title suddenly. Then I
हैंगओवर भी
realized-
बोला मैंने ऐसे तो.
Hangover. We are
Hangover
Bollywood
पे
people.
चले गए.
You lost it 70-50. Next one. Okay. This is easy. Three men in a big city trying to date women but not really succeeding. They also
पंचनामा, प्यार का पंचनामा.
no. Oh yeah. Right. Wow. 70, 60. Not bad.
अच्छा पैक बन गया.
Catching up. Deva,
Okay,
Parmeshwara.
next one. This is too funny. A man is literally dying, but everyone else in this movie is so emotionally messed up that they don't even notice it until the very end. I don't want to say the next line, then you'll
ये
understand.
वापस बोलना ये चीज.
A man is literally dying,
Guzarish.
but everyone else in this movie is so emotionally messed up that they don't even notice it until the very end. Guzarish means they know that this man is almost.
This
on
man
his
though
death.
wants to kill himself in
Yeah,
Guzarish.
but this one is like the person is dying, but everybody else, all the characters are so emotionally messed
Kapoor
up.
and
They
Sons.
don't know.
नहीं अभी जो आई थी वो
अभी की तो नहीं है.
Kapoor
अच्छा,
and
भी
Sons नहीं है ना?
नहीं. I have one more line. Can I add
हाँ,
to
बोल
this?
दे.
Yeah.
There's some homophobia as well. Now you should get it.
That's why I saw Kapoor and Sons.
No. A man is literally dying. That was an accident. How will they predict that?
कुछ और hint.
A man is literally dying, but everyone else in this movie is so emotionally messed up that they don't even notice it until the very end. There's some homophobia as well.
बताओ
वो
यार,
तो टाइम के लिए
बताओ।
खड़ी हुई है.
बताओ.
और भी कुछ दे hint नहीं.
Actor कोई कुछ तो?
It's a very iconic character. Two leading.
ओ दोस्ताना?
करो now.
Ah.
Oh my god, yeah.
Kantabad.
Yeah. Oh my.
हर घड़ी.
Bro, that's very badly explained. That's not
Yeah,
even-
70 all.
Yeah.
70 all. Okay. Next
All.
one.
But I think blue जीतेगी because India जीतेगी.
Okay.
Too good.
There's a ton of music and dancing in large groups. One person is enjoying life to the point of hallucination, while the other is too stuck in their own ways.
Go gone. ऐसी बोला मैंने.
There's a ton of music and dancing in large groups. बहुत सारे actors हैं,
ABCD.
okay? और सब नाच रहे कूद रहे सब कुछ. One person is enjoying life to the point of hallucination,
London Dreams.
while the other is too
Street
stuck
dance.
in their own ways.
3D.
No.
चलो
too.
hallucination किस बारे में बोल देता हूँ. About his
Dead
dead girlfriend.
Doom.
Hallucination about his
No,
dead
he's
girlfriend.
not dead. Sorry, yaar, his girlfriend is not dead. Mohabbatein.
Mohabbatein is the right answer. 80, 70. We'll go to the last round, which is gonna be very quick. So it's called dance. Bollywood dance. No.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you.
I can sit and do
dance
the hook
Bollywood
step.
dance. Dance Bollywood
I
dance. I've
can
done
sit
it.
and-
I've done it with Ishq.
I can sit and do hook step.
Yeah, but you have to do the hook step.
हाँ,
correctly,
done,
okay?
done,
So
done,
this,
done.
if you don't win, then
Shantanu,
to
please.
shut up.
Not very good with hook
Yeah.
step.
Also, who will do it properly and nicely? will
Don't
take the
stand up
judgment.
then.
Okay.
I can't stand up
ठीक है,
then.
80, 70.
Okay.
Remember this.
Okay.
The first hook step is कजरा रे तेरे कारे नैन.
अब हमें beat पे करना है.
Oh, 1 second. There's this also. I did a second hook step. He didn't do it.
With both hands. I did.
You are here.
I did.
Who should we give it to? I think both of them. I think both. You're saying
ठीक है. कोई.
who ऐसे ऐसे करके कैसे समझ में आएगा? शांत. अच्छा, तुम शांतनु की मैनेजर नहीं?
दगा. ये मेरे साइड.
मेरी मैनेजर दगाबाज
दगाबाज रे, हाय
दगाबाज रे.
I am genuinely
बड़े
hurt.
तुम्हारी मैनेजर बड़ी दगाबाज रे.
नहीं, मेरे को सुंदर कर आती है.
Sad. Then I have to give it to Shantanu because your manager has become Vivishon.
धोखा.
80. Okay.
Done.
Next one. Crazy किया रे.
I did it first.
Crazy किया. What you are doing?
पता नहीं कुछ तो step
हाँ,
था.
ऐसा था.
took me a
But first
second.
one is that.
And that,
Right.
yeah.
What is it?
90-80.
90-80.
अभी बना.
90-80.
अभी वो पटियाला fact.
What? No.
me
Next
focus,
one.
let me focus.
नाइट की नौटी कहानी रे हलकट जवानी ये हलकट ये स्टेप ठीक है बट पहला वाला स्टेप उसको नहीं आता तो दे दूंगा.
आता है?
यही तो है ना.
इसके अलावा नाइट की नौटी कहानी. इट्स नाइट की नौटी कहानी.
I did not know that.
बट चलो ये इसके लिए
नहीं मत देना
आधा
points किसी को मत दे.
ठीक है 5 points 95
ठीक है,
80 there are
ठीक
2
है.
more you can still catch up
ठीक
okay.
है.
ये काली काली आंखें तुरुरु तुरुरु. हाँ
मैं मिला तुम क्या.
I do
चलो
not remember.
दुनिया जले तो
ये
जले.
बैठ के ना मजा नहीं आ रहा बट 90
590.
95 90 last if you get it. I should
Shantanu, please don't
give a
get it.
difficult one bhai. 80 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 मेरे फोटो को सीने से यार चिपका ले से या फेविकॉल से.
Oh no.
I think just for this,
she should get.
Sai wins it.
Oh
Sai has also
no!
scored a century, guys.
Oh
Sai, I want you to
no!
do that. Oh, you should do. Oh no!
Oh no!
Shantanu has lost,
I
but you played well.
Thank
Thank you so much. All the best. Thank you.
you.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.